To attach audio recording when doing emergency sharing on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable attach audio recording option in the emergency sharing menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap emergency sharing. Scroll down the screen. Under share your surrounding section, tap the gray on off switch next to attach audio recording until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, when you are calling emergency service with emergency SOS feature, your phone will automatically record 5 seconds of audio to include it in your SOS message and then send the message to your emergency contact. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.